In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Epicgames Launcher or games from the Epicgames Launcher not launching or starting. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search and here we look for the task manager. And in the task manager, we see all processes which run on our computer right now. And if you find something here from the Epicgames Launcher or the anti-cheat, like everything from the Epicgames Launcher, then we can right click on it and then enter task, because sometimes it can be the case that some background processes from the Epicgames Launcher run in the background, and these background processes can block the start of the launcher. So make sure that you close all of these. When you find something, then right click on task to make a full restart of the launcher possible. And after that, we go into the search bar. Here we look for the Epicgames Launcher. So right click on it, then open file location, right click on it again, go on show more options, go on properties, and then we go to security. Click on edit here and then select your account, and here make sure that you allow the full control for the game. So this is really important. After that, click on apply, then on OK. And what we also can do is go on compatibility, and here you run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. So this is really important. And then click on apply and then on OK again. And after that, you have to restart your PC, and then your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will definitely find a solution. And then see you next time.